Yes. Sweet. It's it's scary. Just God. Right now, you're sitting in the room of the Gathering Church. We are in Farmington Hills. We're doing a 10 by 20 center wall that's gonna be mainly used for graphics and for the audience. What we're trying to do is get the vision completed before the new year. So not only are we contractors, but we make sure that we serve. So whatever it takes to make the vision come true. It's not just about what we are paid to do. We like to go above and beyond whatever the expectation is, and we like to make sure that the complete vision comes together.
Meet all deadlines. Actually, 3 weeks early, but we got it done.
I had no idea I was gonna be doing this. I had no idea the electrician was gonna be here to help with the next project. I had no idea Pastor Gerald and Lady Lynn was here. And seeing them happy, seeing it put together right is priceless.